there, and actually this one and this one are two different ways of writing the same idea, as are this one. But what I don't quite get, some of you said it was addition and some of you said it was subtraction. What's up with that? Which is it? Jared.
Both.
I didn't give you that as a choice. Can you tell me why it's both?
Because you can check addition problem by using subtraction. You can use subtraction to check the addition problem.
Oh, they're inverse?
Mm-hmm.
We call those inverse operations. You're correct. Very good. Anybody have any other thoughts about why it could possibly be both? Yes.
It could be subtraction because when you subtract, it makes the number that she needs more to run.
Okay. That makes sense to me too. Well, I told you I wanted to introduce a strategy, and I know that you've thought of an answer because most of you would really like to share it, but I'm going to ask you to hold on to your answer for just a few more minutes, and I want to show you my strategy. Again, this is going to be familiar to some of you, okay? So, how many of you know about this thing? It's an old friend, right? Okay, the open number line. So, when I solve problems like this, because my mind doesn't go backwards nearly as well as it goes forwards, I go much better that way than that way. I tend to rewrite the problem like this in my brain instead of this, even though both are correct, but my brain adds better than it subtracts. So to do that, I'm going to start, can you guys all see here? Did I get it high enough? Okay. I'm going to start with the number 17 because I want to find out if I have 17 laps, how many more am I going to have to keep doing and doing and doing until I get 60? So, I want to stop over here at 60. I like friendly numbers. Numbers like tens and fives and hundreds. So I know that if I add 3 to 17, I will get 20. And I show that. I'm going to add 3, and when I add 17 and 3, the sum will be 20. Oh, and look at this. It's so easy to go from 20 to 40, right?
Mm-hmm.
I could go plus 10. Where do I get?
40.
Oh, I still have a ways to go, right? 30. And if I do plus 10 again, because I'm very good at counting by tens, where do I land on now?
40.
Oh, yeah. And then if I add 10 more,
50.
10 more?
60.
Ah. So how many did I move down the number line altogether?
60. 43.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So if I add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3, I get 43. So how many more laps does Ashley have to go?
43.
Okay. How many of you are familiar with this? Okay, that's what I thought. That's good. What's another way I could solve it then? Thank you for moving this one. What's another way I could solve it? Using the number line. And some of you were trying to tell me I could hear you. Boy, that's a different way using a number line. What's your name?
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel. Tell me another way using the number line. Did I spell your name right?
Yeah.
So you break the 17 into 60.
Okay. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then you could go plus 3,
Okay. And where do I land?
20.
All right. Then what?
Maybe you could add 40 because 4 plus 2 equals 6, and then just adding zeros, so 20 plus 40 equals 60.
I'll be darned. That's kind of faster than the way I did it, huh?
You
Okay.
put in 43.
And then what do I do? Because I'm not quite finished.
And then you add 40
40 plus 3 equals 43. Who has another way? Brittany. No, I know. I'm waiting for you to talk.
Okay, so you do the number line.
Okay.
First do 17,
Okay.
then do 60 all the way to the front.
Oh, I mean, to
Yeah.
write the 60 down there. Okay. Got it.
Plus 3
Okay.
is 20. Plus 20 more,
Where do I land?
40.
Okay.
Plus 10,
Should make my 10 a little bit bigger.
plus 10, no, that would equal to 30.
Right here?
No, 50.
Okay.
Plus another 10.
All right.
Makes it to 60, and that made it 43.
Okay. How did you get 43?
Well, I plus the 2 10s.
You added the
is
2
20.
10s.